Today we going to try a creative product shoot. This is our output of that product. Let's see how it done. First we arranged the product into a glass surface. The very important thing is to face the product name visible in the image. Now setting up the light. Lights have been set side to avoid reflection on the product. Now setting up the camera. First, I going to have a test shot. Before that we need to change the basic controls, the shutter, aperture and ISO. Also check the white balance and image quality. The test shot gives an overexposed image. Hence, we have to control the light entering the camera. Now we got the perfectly exposed image. We now going to splash the water and try our creative shot. There is a challenge to capture exact timing that water splash on the product. So we planned to take continuous shot. Still, we can't achieve the expected output because the product moves after the splash. Now we planned to splash the water evenly so that we can achieve our expected output. Yes, finally we got our water splashing output. Checking the focus of the product. We selected one shot out of 15 shots and edited it to enhance the color and sharpness. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.